People might develop an obsession with collecting for several reasons, each combining psychological, emotional, and social factors. 1. Psychological satisfaction. Collecting can fulfill psychological needs such as control, competence, and ownership. It allows individuals to exert control over a small part of the world, organizing and categorizing items as they see fit. 2. Emotional connection. Collectors often feel a deep emotional connection to their collections, which may remind them of past experiences, childhood, or people they care about. This emotional tie can drive the desire to expand their collections. 3. Social interaction. Collecting often involves a community of like-minded individuals. Collectors may enjoy the social aspect of connecting with others who share their interests, whether through online forums, conventions, or social clubs. 4. Pursuit of knowledge. Many collectors are driven by the desire to learn more about their chosen subject. The act of collecting stimulates intellectual curiosity and can provide a continuous learning experience. 5. Legacy and transcendence. Some collectors are motivated by the idea of building something of lasting value, which can be passed down through generations. This can provide a sense of purpose and legacy. 6. Thrill of the hunt. The pursuit of new items can be thrilling. Finding, negotiating, and acquiring new pieces can bring excitement and a sense of achievement. 7. Aesthetic appreciation. Many collections, such as art, stamps, or antiques, are driven by the collector's appreciation for beauty and artistic expression. 8. Investment. Some people collect items as an investment, hoping their collections will increase in value over time. This can add a financial incentive to the psychological and emotional aspects of collecting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get further interesting and useful content.